To search for God with logical proof is like searching for the sun with a lamp. What do you say, my friends? Do you agree with this? Well, we search for God everywhere. And do you think we find it? Of course, the ones who looked into themselves, they definitely found it. So, why don't we study ourselves first and search within us? Because God resides within us and not anywhere else. You know something? Since I've fallen into love of my God, I stay out of all feuds, like Rumi Rahmatullah Alai. Yes, all these trivial things, all these major things, all these conflicts, I stay away from all such things. I'm indifferent to it. And you know, there's so much peace and happiness which we all crave for. Practice it. Just be in love with your God. Be like your God, and you will serve His creation with the same love as God does. Try it out. In fact, real power, yes, real power resides in submission, a power that comes within. So why not we are open to learning. We unlearn the wrong from the right. We find a spiritual master who can teach us what we are. Yes, the Sufi spiritual masters, they are the mirror to our own reflection. So find one, the genuine one. You know, why explain yourself when those who judge you see only through their own lens? So what do? Be silent. Let them see. Yes. God, have you heard him speaking? Never. So why not we imbibe all the attributes of our God, whom we love? And once we do that, the life turns 360-degree, and you will see there is peace and happiness and love in our life, and there's no room for any evil in our heart. Try it out. You know, the first condition is that we make ourselves humble as dust and ashes. Let's be humble and let's see how things work out. Why not we experience this as well? You know, when we become nothing, we become everything. Yes, you heard me right. When we become nothing, we become everything. The desire to know your soul will end all other desires. Yes. We read so many things, we learn so many things. Why don't we learn ourselves? What are we? Why are we here? What are we up to? What is the purpose? How we need to lead a life? How we need to become successful in this life? So, for that, we need a spiritual master who will help us in this journey. And I'm very, very sure that He who has led you so far will guide you further. Yes. So you have started the journey on finding or discovering yourselves. So, no fear, no worries. Find one. Find a spiritual master who will take you further, who will guide you further, and you will reach your destination for sure. And can make this life successful here and hereafter, like all the Wali Allahs, like all the spiritual saints, irrespective of the religion, caste, and creed. So, why not find one, the spiritual master? All the best in this journey of finding a spiritual master.